Kamate Blue back with another video. Yo, what's up, gang? What's up, gang? So today we're gonna be opening pro packs. We got 50 of them. You know what I'm saying? We just Gucci. Let's get in this mug. Let's get in this thing. Accidentally opened 2 packs. Okay. So look, I feel like that we're gonna put like at least 13, 14, 15 weeks. Okay. See. Yep. Ooh, Stephon Gilmore, that's a dub. No shakers? What can I say, David? Okay, Brandon Miller. Ooh, that's tough. That's tough, yo. They don't get no leads. Oh, let's go. We pull a Kenny Stills. Okay. Yes, sir. Ooh, Raekwon Smith. No shake. Y'all finna make big profit out of this. Especially when I pull those, like, rare elites. Ooh. Okay. Mozart. Okay. Hey, yo, come on, man. Yeah, I'm finna pull big losers. Ooh, two? Let's freaking go. Oh, wait, I think we got an extra card. Yeah, we got an extra card. Yeah. I think we normally, like... No, it isn't me. It's probably me. Oh, two. Okay, Chris. Okay. I like that. Okay. Okay, no lead. No, that's tough. That's tough. Yo, this is super tough. Yo, this is tough. Oh no. This is tough, y'all. Okay, pause. Oh, let's go. Big dogs. We put an 89 Tyreek Hill. Oh my god. What a big dog, man. Bro. Yeah, that's an accomplishment, yeah. Okay. No, wait. Oh, no, we did. Okay, we did. We put a sack. Do you put the 88 set? That'd be lit. Come on, man. I think my dream not coming true, y'all. Yeah, it's not coming true. No, y'all disappointing me. What's going on? Okay, 250. Oh my, bro, what the heck? Well, I'm speechless. Okay, it all gotta be some. Ooh, okay, Juwan Thornhill. I like. Okay, I like that. Okay, Kevin Doss. Chris Jones again? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sheldon Rankins. Oh, okay. Ooh, Antonio Gibson? Okay. I like it, okay. Brandon Linder again. We got some same bad luck. Ooh, okay. 84 Troy Hill. What? Bruh. What the heck? Ooh, double leads, McCall Harmon and PJ Walker. Oh my gosh. They both. Okay. They both 80s. Jamal Dean, Marcus Gilbert. Okay. 10 left. We got 10 left. Ooh, Dak Prescott. Let's go. Ooh, tough. No leads. Ooh, okay, David. We got David, y'all. No leads again. Y'all disappointing me. Okay, pulling me. 83 Jeff Heath. Wow. I put so many TLR and flashback players, bro. Ooh, okay, y'all. The final 3. What the heck, man? Come on. Ooh, okay. Ooh, Darius Slay. Surprise me. Oh yeah, I forgot y'all. I put all man back. Ooh, Antonio Winfield Jr. That's just what's up, y'all. That is what's up. That is look how many weeks we pulled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I keep on going on. 27, 28, 29. We got 21. We passed our goal. And look at this. Look at this. In all his glory. In all his glory. The list can just keep on going on. Bro. Oh my. Okay. Y'all, thank you for coming to the vid. Appreciate it. Turn around, shout to me, turn on notice, and like the vid. Peace.